Current viewers, as you watch, I want to set up Call of Duty Black apps. At the first, I just click on this verify bin files, and the result is like this, and you can watch it right now. About 2 languages are active in this version of game, and now I just need to click on set up multi tool. Yes, next, next, next. English, Russian, update direction. Default installation, we can choose also installation with software update, but it is better to have default installation, right? And I uncheck this update directs, download and install C++ redistribute, and it's enough, because at the earlier time I just installed C++ redistribute 2008, even more on the PC. Also, my directs is updated because I have same games like Call of Duty and even higher version of other games. So let's install it, and you can watch. It is a lengthy progress, and we should wait to have this game installed.